lessons from the USSR, and I think that's really what we're going to see, is that the periphery left. The middle stayed, the center kind of stayed, but weakened. You had Ukraine, Belarus, you had Central Asia, the Baltics, and Outer Mongolia, which was a territory that both China and Russia coveted for many, many years. It became an independent country in 1991, and people don't remember that, but it's very interesting how they did it. The other option is a Yugoslavia mess. I don't think that's going to happen. So if you look at the fact that it's likeliest that the peripheries are going to break away in pieces, not in concert, and hook up with EU or NATO or Europe or Turkey. Turkey is something that I'm going to talk about in a bit. Here are the obvious breakaway candidates in my mind. Obviously, Karelia, which was part of Finland and ceded in 1940 to Russia by Finland against its will. And it's in the periphery. Chechnya, which has a very independent-minded people, were pretty cohesive. And I can see that Chechnya would spark interest in a North-Caucasus federation of some kind of regional, and would therefore probably encourage Georgia to unite again and to overthrow that part of it, which is controlled by Russia, Dagestan, Stavropol. I think those are interesting areas that could form some kind of a regional group politically to do it. Then there's the Turkic cultural influence, and that's where Turkey comes in. That is Tatarstan,